Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download or save someone Instagram story using your Android phone. Just keep on watching and let's get started. First, go to your Play Store and download Story Saver for Instagram. After you download Story Saver for Instagram, open it and log in your Instagram account. Now, let's go back to Instagram application to search the story you want to download. You can only download the public stories. So for example, this is the story you want to download. Let's go back to Story Saver. Then right here, search for the account's username. Tap the account and click Story. Then as you can see, here are the stories. Click the picture or video, then click Save. You may find your downloaded story in your gallery. Go to your gallery and the folder named Story Saver. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!